Welcome to Futurebytes, where young minds explore the exciting world of robotics and coding. Featured as the best Bay Area summer camp for the years 2022, 2023, and 2024, our program offers an exceptional experience for aspiring tech enthusiasts. Embark on a thrilling journey with Voyagers, where children dive into the world of cutting-edge artificial intelligence through computer vision. Explore classical and deep learning methods, guided by expert instructors. Put your Python skills to work on real-world AI challenges, from image processing techniques to convolutional neural networks. Discover the intricacies of computer vision, from colors and edges to object detection, pose estimation, facial recognition, image segmentation, and augmented reality. Each day brings new, exciting explorations. On the final day, embark on a super fun scavenger hunt powered by your own computer vision tools. Become confident Vision Voyagers, ready to navigate the fascinating world of computer vision. Register now at www.futurebytes.tech using the discount code FBSC24 and follow us on social media to stay updated. We look forward to seeing you at a Futurebytes camp. Let's shape the future, one byte at a time.